And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe on the go.
So Jen, it looks like we're in an airport. Where are we going this time?
We're going to St. Petersburg, Florida.
All right. It's a lovely day to travel, I have to say.
It is. Everything looks calm out there, and the airport's actually quiet too,
Yeah,
which is
I know.
weird.
I know. This is just kind of an odd, weird kind of morning. First off, we're not here super early, so that's a plus.
Because I said I would never do those flights again.
So we actually had a midday flight which got pushed back a little bit. Southwest, you know, and just have to modify routes every once in a while. So they pushed us later, but I ended up getting it moved to a 9 o'clock flight. So not super early, but early enough where we can get there and actually enjoy the afternoon. And then what's tonight?
Nella's cooking.
We get to have some good homemade Italian cooking from Mama Nella. Looking forward to it.
I am too.
Yeah, this trip is, I'm really looking forward to this one. No Disney, just St. Pete, just family time, enjoying some sun. We do have a lot planned for the next few days.
We do. We want to show you around our home away from home.
Definitely. I think it's going to be a lot of fun.
I think it will be too.
I'm really looking forward to it. So this is the first part of it, just at the airport. We made it here okay, and yeah, excited?
I am.
Yeah. All right, good. We'll touch base in a little bit.
All right, bye guys.
Bye for now. All right, Jen, looks like we have made it to the hotel.
We have.
So we're at the Hyatt Place, downtown St. Pete, and we have already checked into the room, but we're gonna show you guys here in just a second.
And we'll have a room tour coming up.
Yeah, and we'll show you around the hotel, and it's really well located. It's right in downtown St. Pete, walking distance from everything.
To everything.
So, so far it's been quite lovely. So yeah, we made it. Actually, the flight itself was what it was. It was a little bumpy.
It was a lot bumpy the last 45 minutes.
Yeah, a lot bumpy. But we made it safely, so that's the most important thing. And we are now here at the hotel.
Yay!
We're going to show you around a little bit, and then after that, dinner.
Yes.
Somebody needs some food.
I'm getting borderline hangry. Well, we haven't had anything substantial.
I know.
I'm sorry, a granola bar and a bag of pretzels doesn't count.
It doesn't. It doesn't. So we need to get to my mom's so we can have a nice meal.
Yes.
Nice dinner. So let's show everyone around, and then we can get moving.
Perfect.
All right, sounds good.
All right.
Well, hello there.
Hi, Joe. Fancy meeting you here.
Fancy meeting you here. So, here's our room. What do you think of it so far?
It's nice. I mean, it's a simple Hyatt standard king bed room. It's clean, it's comfortable, it's basic. It'll do its purpose for 2 nights.
All right. Well, let's check it out.
So you walk in and there's a little entryway. And then right ahead of you is the bathroom. And it looks like they are using Kennett MD hair care. Never heard of it.
Okay. Well.
And Kennett MD massage bar soap. So yeah, I've never heard of that brand, but as long as it washes and conditions my hair well.
And it's a stand-up full shower. Not too bad. That's okay.
No, not at all. I mean, it's got a lot of storage space under the sink for all of my crap. So that's nice.
And obviously we've already made ourselves at home.
Obviously.
All right.
And then there's just a little sitting area with a nice sectional, king size bed, TV. There's some coffee and tea. Last time in Orlando, they left us bottled water, but I don't see that here.
That's because that was Orlando. Orlando was special.
Yeah. So no extra little goodies.
And the refrigerator's under there? In there? Okay.
Just a normal little fridge.
Right. Yeah.
And you've got some drawers. They're nice and deep. And then your closet with extra pillow and blanket. ironing board, iron safe.
Just the normal.
Yeah, I mean, nothing special.
And we opted for the king size bed.
Yeah.
And then there is that sitting area again. So overall, I mean, again, not anything super spectacular fancy, but it's a nice sized room.
It is.
Especially when you have all of this extra seating area here.
Yeah,
So you can see,
I think so.
and it's definitely clean.
Yeah, definitely.
So I would say definitely a plus.
Yeah, and there's no housekeeping because of COVID. But if you need anything, just ask the front desk. So we should be good.
Yeah. And I mean, overall.
Sorry, it's not more exciting.
Yeah, I know. But overall, I mean, the hotel itself for the location is great. And the lobby itself is nice. There's the bar downstairs.
And we'll do a full resort,
Yeah,
well, not
well.
resort, but hotel tour at some point
Right.
before we check out. But I mean, we both had never really stayed at Hyatt's, and we stayed the first time in February when we stayed at the Hyatt
Orlando Airport.
International Airport, and we really liked it. We thought it was clean and comfortable, so we thought, why not try it for 2 nights here, since we're now Hyatt members.
And they do offer breakfast in the morning.
It's free.
As well, included, yeah. So that'll be nice.
Yeah,
We'll see.
I mean, even if it's just fresh fruit or yogurt or, some
Yeah.
cereal, just to have something before
We'll see
we start
what-
our day.
what that's like tomorrow. But
Yeah.
overall, so far, it's good, right?
It is.
All right,
Really
cool.
good. But now we have to leave because we have some Mama Nella's cooking to get to. And she's making fried shrimp
Mm-hmm. All right,
and
let's
homemade
go.
pasta.
Let's go.